Thanks for your interest in ChattState. We are excited to help you get started on an amazing future. Follow along as we walk through the online application. Go to chattanoogastate.edu and click Apply. Select your semester. Click First-Time Users to create an account and enter the requested information. A temporary PIN will be sent to the email address used. You will need to enter the PIN from your email and your date of birth to activate the account. Once your account is activated, you will create a new password following the password requirements. After creating your password, click Login and then Start New Application. Enter all required information on the Personal Information page and click Continue. Select your appropriate residency and click Continue. List an emergency contact if desired and click Continue. On the Academic Plans page, review the student types and choose the one that best fits your academic plans. Depending on your selection, additional questions will pop up that you will need to answer. If you already know your desired major, choose Yes, I know what program I want. If not, select I am not sure yet and use the questions to help you decide. Click Continue. Next, you will add your academic history. If you need help, click Contact Admissions or Live Chat. Click Add New and enter your high school information, as well as any colleges you have attended. The institution field is a search field, and you can simply start typing your school's name to locate it. Make sure to enter the level of study. Click Save. Enter any prior learning credits such as AP or certificates earned and click Save. Once all information is entered, click Continue. Read the information on the financial aid page. Check, I understand I must complete a FAFSA to be eligible for financial aid at Chattanooga State. Choose the appropriate housing information and click Continue. Read the statement on the signature page and type your full legal name as an electronic signature. Then click Confirm. The system will review your application. If you have missing information, click on the red link to complete missing information. Once you are satisfied with your application, click Submit Application. You will be sent an email after we receive your application, as well as after any updates are made. You will also receive a link to the application status portal where you can review missing admissions items. Thank you for choosing ChattState. We are thrilled to be your education partner.